Today we're working on a 1964 Thunderbird, 390 cubic inch motor. This thing is all stock, just in really nice shape. I came in for some maintenance work, a complete check over. When the car came in, it leaked just a massive puddle of fuel underneath. We popped the hood, see what's going on there. We found the accelerator pump on a carburetor, just constant dripping fuel there. So we did have to rebuild the car, but put it back on the car, make all your air fuel adjustments, start it up. This thing also had a lot of front end issues. Again, just due to the age of this thing, everything's worn out and old. So we did completely rebuild the front end there. After that, of course, you have to realign the front end as far as your camber caster toe adjustments. So we took care of all that. Also had a couple other just maintenance items. Valve covers leaking down the side of the block there a little bit. Again, not a big deal. Customer's super happy with everything. He's gonna come pick it up. We have a 66 Plymouth Valiant. Thing came in for, again, a general inspection and a disc brake conversion. This thing was equipped with 4-corner drum brakes, which somebody had already been in and modified. Either way, we went through the rest of it. Everything checked out good, so we did order a conversion kit, which includes new steering knuckles, brake rotors, calipers, lower ball joints, everything to kind of make their components work with the front end. Once we replaced some of the suspension components, we did realign the thing to kind of get it back where it needed to be. We road tested it, and again, the guy will be super happy with it. Turned out really nice. We also have a 1970 AMX. Came in for some trans work. This thing had a manual valve body in the trans, which was a common upgrade just for a little more performance out of it. Well, the guy's done driving it like that, so he wanted to go back to just a regular automatic valve body in there. While the thing was here, he also had some fuel system issues. Somebody had put silicone over the fuel tank, had a small fuel leak back there. As soon as he started flexing the tank, it was leaking pretty good. So we did put a new fuel tank in there along with a new sender. We ran new fuel lines. This is a performance motor in there, so we wanted to go with a return style fuel system. So we ran a new sender with the return line provisions in it, ran new lines along the frame up to the motor with the regulator. Everything turned out real nice there. We also found the master cylinder was leaking all down the firewall, actually peeled paint off the firewall. So we got a new Wildwood brake master cylinder proportioning valve assembly, which we have out. We're going to redo the lines on there, a couple different connections. So we got the master cylinder bolted in there. We're actually working on the lines now.